Hi everyone, in this video today I am going to show you how to schedule a database backup using SQL. To do that you have to follow some steps. I'll just show you the checklist. First you need to open SQL Management Studio. There is a store procedure to run the auto schedule backup. After that you need to schedule a job. Okay, the first step is open SQL Management Studio, and the second step is you have to run a procedure to create a backup. Then you have to schedule a job. So there are three steps which you need to follow to schedule the backup. Now I will show you how to schedule that in SQL. Go to the start button, just type SQL. You will be seeing SQL Server Management Studio. When you get to open SQL Server Management Studio, you just click on connect. You have to give your password. Once the database is connected, you have to click on new query. When you click on new query, the query editor will get opened. After this, you just copy this procedure and paste in the query editor. Let me run this through execute button, or you can press F5. When the query is successful, you will get a message, commands completed successfully. That means this procedure is set in the master database. Now you have to schedule a backup using SQL Server Agent. Now make sure that the SQL Server Agent is on. Okay. To switch on this SQL Server Agent, you need to go to the SQL Configuration Manager and you need to switch on the SQL Server Agent. Then only you can see the jobs component here. Now here you have a jobs folder. Here you can right click on the jobs folder and you click on a new job. When you click on a new job, you can give the job name. I'm just giving as daily backup. Then you have to click on OK. Once the job name is created, you have to go to properties. You have to go to the steps. Okay, in these steps you have to click on new. When you click on new, it will ask you the step name. Again I am giving my step name as daily backup. Now here you have a database name which is master. Here you have to execute the store procedure. Now how to execute that store procedure? Let me copy this store procedure and paste it here. Now you have to give your database name. Now your database name, from where you have to search, you have to click on databases. Now you say I want to backup Focus 8020 database on a daily basis. Okay, now I'll go to the procedure again. I'll go to properties. Now I'll give my database name here, Focus 8020. Once this is done, click on OK. Now you click on schedules. When you click on schedules, click on new. Here you have to give your schedule name. Again I am giving my schedule name as daily backup. Here you have the schedule type. Is it recurring or one time? I am giving as one time. I have to click as daily, or if I want weekly, I can give even whenever I want. Okay, I am just giving Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Every day I need a backup on a weekly basis. Now it will ask the daily frequency time. When do you want to backup this? You want to do it at 12 AM or 12 PM. Now I will select as 12 PM in the midnight. Now I will click on OK. Then click on OK. Once this is done, if you want to check whether this store procedure is working or not, you click on the daily backup. Here you have a option called start job at step. Okay, when you click this, the backup will be done. Before that, I will just show you one path in E drive. What I have mentioned here, E:database backup. Now you can see here in the E drive I have a folder called database backup. Now you see this folder is empty. Okay, let me close this and then run a job. Start job at step. When I click on this, now you see I'll get a message saying that it is success, means my job is executed successfully. That means my backup should be there in my folder. Let me check my folder. In the E drive, I'll click on database backup. Now you see my database backup is here. So this is how you have to schedule a backup in SQL. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please give a like and share. Thank you.